Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Battle with Ola. My name is Mujela Olua. I just wanted to share with you two legal considerations. That's section 7 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 and section 10 of the Criminal Code, the Nigerian Criminal Code. I want to talk about these two aspects of the law because I find that they relate in a way, and sometimes people tend to mix things up. So section 7 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 says that no one shall be arrested in lieu of another. That means that you cannot arrest someone simply because you cannot find the person you want to arrest. This section affects the Nigerian police and more importantly affects private citizens because most times some of these unlawful things done by the police are kick-started by the complaints of citizens and the mobilization of citizens. And when I'm talking about mobilization, I'm talking about mobilization not just by lodging a complaint but in cash, in kind. You know how you know what I mean, and you know how it goes down around here. So the law is that you cannot arrest someone in place of another. That is, if the son has allegedly committed an offense and you go look for him and it's not found, you have no right to arrest the mother. You have no right to arrest the father or the brother or the girlfriend. As we've seen in so many sad, unfortunate cases, it's not right, it's not legal for you to arrest someone in lieu of another person. The law does not allow it. What we often see is that, someone owes someone a debt, a purely civil matter, and then you go to that person's house, you can't find them, and you make the police arrest the father or the mother or a relative, thinking that when they know that their relative is in custody, they would show up. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's like taking laws into your hands. So the law is that you cannot arrest someone in lieu of another person. Now, someone would ask me, how does section 10 of the Criminal Code relate to this section? Section 10 of the Criminal Code relates to or speaks about accessories after the fact. Accessories after the fact. I've done a video on that already. I'll link it in the description box. Accessories after the fact are people or persons who aid an alleged criminal or suspect in such a way that obstructs justice or probably prevents their arrest or their prosecution, their lawful prosecution. For instance, an armed robber is running away from the police, being chased, and you take the person into your shop and lock the door and hide the person from the police. You're an accessory after the fact. For instance, your relative has done something wrong and the law is after him or her, and then you fly them out of the country. You are an accessory after the fact. So they are different in the sense that if it is clear that you are an accessory after the fact, it is clear that you are trying to obstruct justice or aid an erring person or a criminal in such a way that helps them to escape the arm and the ambit of the law, you are an accessory after the fact and you can be arrested and prosecuted as such. But if that is not the case, the law does not allow the police or the law enforcement authorities to arrest you instead of your relative or someone connected to you in some way that is fleeing the arm or ambit of the law. So that's how they are related, and that's how they diverge. You cannot arrest a mother in place of the child. You cannot arrest a daughter in place of the father. But if, for instance, the father is seen or known or discovered to be keeping the daughter from being arrested and lawfully prosecuted for an alleged crime, he can be arrested as an accessory after the fact. There are accessories before the fact and there are accessories after the fact. After the fact means after the offense has been committed. You know that the offense has been committed. You know that it's an offense under the law, but yet you are protecting the person from being caught by the law, being tried, being prosecuted, being arrested by the police. You are an accessory after the fact. So you can't be arrested on that basis, and it will not be arrest in lieu, and it will be lawful. So that's the basic difference and correlation between those two aspects of the law. I hope you learned something new in this video. Let me know in the comment section how you have understood what I've just explained, and I will always see you in my very next video. Toodles.